Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I got for you another DIY crochet braid video. So I did the beehive method. Now I added in an extra step with the beehive method this time because I wanted maximum coverage from a thin spot, of course. So what I did with this method, with this foundation, I put one cornrow down halfway down the middle of my head first. And then I started the beehive, from the back and then going all the way around and around and around. Corn rolling around over top of the cornrow that I have in the middle. Okay, let's talk about this curl pattern. So I was looking for something different to do with the curl pattern. And I found this video. I don't remember her name, but I will link her video down in the description box of her video showing the different curl patterns. I feel like that was one of the most descriptive videos that I saw to, create different curl patterns. I really liked it. So I decided to do one of her styles, or one of the styles, and then I dipped it and everything. I feel like it could have turned out better, but I think it was because of the hairs that I used. Let's talk about the hairs that I used. So, I used the regular hair that I always use in most of my videos because I like that texture. But I had some purple, it was like purple, pink, and white hair that I had left over, and then I got another pack of red hair from a friend because she said I like red hair, but I feel like that hair was really stiff because after I dipped the hair, it like crinkled up or something. I can't explain it. I guess, I don't know if the water was too hot. I didn't dip it that long, but some hair can handle it, some hair can't, and I feel like that purple, pink, and white ombre hair and that other red hair that I decided to mix together, blended. I did blend them together. It just didn't work out. And I feel like that because when I was pulling the hair apart, a lot of the curl patterns was messed up. Another difference is that I didn't allow the hair to dry fully. I dipped it, I think I let it dry for about 3 hours, if that, and then I started to pull it apart and put it in. As I was pulling it apart, I did notice it was still wet, but I just went ahead and kept on going anyway because I was excited to see these colors together. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I wanted to show y'all this foundation and the color and the hairs I was using. I will try this method again with the string. I used yarn. I think I might use a different string next time, just so I can create this curl pattern. I'm not going to go outside the norm and get another different pack of hair because I know exactly how the Spectra Mormio hair works, and I'm going to allow the hair to dry fully the next time before I start to pull the hair apart. The curl pattern itself is really, really pretty, but I think I didn't let the hair dry. I used different textures of, different textures of synthetic hair, and it just didn't come out as I wanted it, but I think it will the next time with all these tips that I just learned and gave myself. Trial and error really shows you what works and what really doesn't work for you. I probably wear this hairstyle like this for a couple of days and then comb it out and try to restyle it with a different curl pattern, probably some crinkles because the hair is already in my head and I don't really want to keep dipping and dipping, so I'll probably just do a braid out. Yeah, I'll probably do a braid out. I'll try to get around to video, recording myself, combing it out, how I comb it out, and That is so cute. But yeah, I love this curl pattern. I like the colors too. If you like these colors, comment you like the colors down below. But for the most part, I like the curl pattern and I like the colors. So I might try more mixing colors. I love red, so I might try to mix a couple of other colors with the red. But I like the little gray highlights, gray purple, pinkish highlights. Oh, and the max coverage. Yeah, let's talk about that. So that cornrow down the middle really helps. I think you can only do this with curly hair or, you know, kinky curly hair so that it can really blend. But for the most part, it covered up everything that I needed to cover up. I think the beehive method with that cornrow down the middle is really where it's at now. I think I'm gonna probably use that foundation for the remainder because I found it hard to cut the net out and it was just getting on my nerves. So I needed to come up with a different method. But I like the cornrow down the middle with the beehive too. See, I can swoop some edges, but I'm not good with that. So I just wear it down to the front. Well, yeah, here's the finished results. If y'all like this style, this technique, and don't forget to check out the video in the link below of how I got the curl pattern and everything. So if you like this style, yeah, please leave a like. Leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get a notification of when I drop these videos. I'm going to trim it up a little bit. You know, you always got to trim it down a little bit to shape your face, make it really pretty, and cut away them flyaways. Because, oh yeah, I slide the scissors when I do that too. So it won't be a flat edge when you cut it. It won't be so blunt. But yeah, if y'all like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, YouTube.